Welcome back to Finance and Fortune. In today's video, we're diving deep into the strategies the wealthy are using to safeguard and grow their fortunes. As the financial landscape shifts in 2025, the rich are doubling down on specific assets that promise not just security but significant returns. Have you ever wondered where the ultra-rich are putting their money? Well, you're in the right place. Now, before we jump into the top 10 assets the wealthy are focusing on, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future financial insights that could help you grow your wealth too. Let's get started. 1. Gold, the ultimate safe haven. First up, we have the age-old asset that has stood the test of time, gold. The rich are once again turning to gold as an essential part of their portfolio. But why? In times of economic uncertainty, gold is viewed as a safe haven. With inflationary pressures and geopolitical tensions rising globally in 2025, gold's value typically surges when paper currencies devalue. The wealthy are aware of this and are increasing their holdings in gold not only as a hedge against inflation, but also as a way to diversify their portfolio. Historically, gold has provided steady returns during market downturns, making it a crucial asset for those looking to preserve their wealth in volatile times. For the rich, it's not just about survival. It's about thriving when markets crash. 2. Real estate. Not just property, but power. Real estate has always been a staple investment for the wealthy, and 2025 is no different. But it's not just about owning residential properties. The rich are getting more strategic. Luxury properties in key cities, commercial real estate, and industrial spaces are where they're focusing their investments. With urbanization and remote work trends reshaping the landscape, high net worth individuals are snapping up properties in cities poised for future growth and in regions where businesses are expanding. More importantly, real estate offers multiple streams of income, from rent to property appreciation, and it can act as a hedge against inflation, which is especially appealing in today's uncertain economic environment. Real estate isn't just a physical asset. It's a tool for long-term wealth creation and preservation. 3. Private equity and venture capital. Betting on the future. While stock market investments are common, the wealthy are looking elsewhere for potentially higher returns. Private equity and venture capital. These high-risk, high-reward investments are where fortunes are made, and in 2025, the rich are doubling down. Private equity involves investing in privately held companies or buying out public companies to restructure and improve profitability. The wealthy see this as a way to control the narrative, bypassing stock market volatility. Venture capital, on the other hand, is where they're betting on the next big thing, startups with disruptive technologies or business models. By investing in these private ventures, the rich can tap into growth that the general public doesn't have access to until these companies go public, often with massive valuation increases. 4. Art and collectibles. Tangible investments with emotional appeal. Art, rare wines, classic cars, and other collectibles are gaining traction as investment vehicles. Why? These assets are immune to stock market crashes and in many cases appreciate significantly over time. The rich aren't just buying art to hang on their walls, they're treating it as an asset class of its own. Major works from established artists like Picasso or Monet can be worth millions, and their value often increases during times of economic instability. Similarly, collectibles such as rare wines or classic cars can serve as a hedge against inflation and provide a diversification tool that isn't correlated with other asset classes. And let's face it, these types of investments have an emotional appeal. They're investments you can enjoy and show off, making them attractive to the ultra-wealthy. 5. Renewable energy, profiting from the green revolution. Sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's the future. The rich are increasingly investing in renewable energy as the world shifts towards more sustainable living and energy consumption. Solar, wind, and other clean energy projects are seeing substantial investments, and in 2025, this trend is only accelerating. Governments around the world are offering incentives for renewable energy, and companies in this space are seeing explosive growth. The wealthy see the writing on the wall. Fossil fuels are on their way out, and renewable energy is the future. Whether through direct investments in solar farms or backing companies developing cutting-edge technologies, the rich are positioning themselves to profit from the inevitable green revolution. 6. Cryptocurrencies. Beyond Bitcoin. Bitcoin may be the poster child of the cryptocurrency world, but the wealthy are looking beyond just holding the top digital coin. In 2025, decentralized finance, DeFi, NFTs, and altcoins are capturing the attention of savvy investors. The ultra-wealthy are not just holding crypto assets, but are getting involved in blockchain technology, decentralized platforms, and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, as a way to diversify. Cryptocurrencies offer potential exponential returns, but they also provide an opportunity to get in on the ground floor of the next wave of tech disruption. The volatility of cryptocurrencies is well known, but the rich are prepared for that. By investing in a diversified set of digital assets and blockchain technologies, they're hedging your bets on where finance is headed in the future. 7. Farmland. Growing returns. Believe it or not, farmland is one of the most popular assets for the ultra-wealthy. Why? Because food is a basic human need and farmland offers a steady income from crop yields and property appreciation. In 2025, farmland is becoming even more valuable as concerns about food security and climate change increase. The demand for organic and locally sourced food is skyrocketing, and with it, the value of well-located farmland. The rich see farmland not just as a way to make money, but as a tangible long-term asset that will always be in demand. Moreover, farmland can provide inflation protection since agricultural products often increase in price as the cost of living goes up. It's a practical, reliable investment that generates steady returns year after year. 8. Data and technology companies betting on digital growth. The rich are doubling down on technology, and 2025 is a year where this trend only accelerates. Tech giants like Amazon, Apple, and Google may be dominant, but the ultra-wealthy are focusing on next-generation tech companies, those involved in AI, big data, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. Why? Because these are the industries that will define the future. Companies harnessing the power of data are poised for explosive growth, and the rich are positioning themselves at the forefront of this digital revolution. Whether it's through direct investments in tech startups or pouring capital into established companies that are leading innovation, the wealthy see tech as the primary driver of wealth in the coming years. 9. Health and wellness sector, a lucrative and growing industry. The health and wellness sector is booming and the wealthy are pouring their money into it. In 2025, this isn't just about investing in pharmaceutical companies. The rich are diversifying their portfolios by investing in organic foods, fitness tech, mental health platforms, and even biotech firms focused on longevity. With an aging global population and rising health awareness, companies in the wellness space are poised for massive growth. From telemedicine to wearables that monitor health, the potential for innovation in this sector is enormous. The wealthy are capitalizing on this by investing in both private and public companies that are leading the charge in improving health outcomes and enhancing quality of life. 10. Inflation-linked bonds protecting against the erosion of wealth. Lastly, in a world where inflationary pressures are a constant threat, the rich are investing heavily in inflation-linked bonds. These bonds are designed to protect against inflation by adjusting their interest payments in line with the inflation rate. With central banks around the world grappling with rising inflation, these bonds offer a way to maintain purchasing power while still earning a return. For the ultra-wealthy, this is a crucial part of their strategy in 2025 as they seek to preserve their wealth against the eroding effects of inflation. And there you have it, the top 10 assets the rich are doubling down on in 2025. Whether it's gold, real estate, or high-risk investments like private equity and crypto, the wealthy are strategically positioning themselves to thrive in a changing economic landscape. If you found value in today's video and want to learn more about how to build and protect your wealth, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We have plenty of content coming up that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching Finance and Fortune. Stay smart, stay invested, and we'll see you in the next video.